Hi everyone, in this 1 hour course I will show you everything you need to know about if statements, and we're going to be using the Java programming language inside Android Studio. And so keep in mind that this is a course that is meant for complete beginners. If you have some prior experience with programming, you might find this course a bit too basic. And so we're going to be learning about the structure of if statements, also how to set up conditions and what are the good practices, how to implement comments of all kinds in order to make our application and code a bit more understandable. And also we're going to be learning about the structure of if-else statements, nested if and nested if-else statements as well. And besides that, I will show you a case in which you will be having to deal with a chain of else-if statements. So that's something quite different. And we're going to be using this in order to implement a functionality from a mobile store application for a bakery. And furthermore, I'm going to show you how to use the conjunction, disjunction, and negation logical operators, which will help us with the development of more complex conditions. Finally, we're going to see how to check for parity, so check if a number is odd or even, and also to check if a string is null or empty. And we're going to be avoiding possible crashes in our application. Last but not least, we're going to see if a number is between two values, and for that I'm going to give you an example of a car that travels within cities, and we'll check if the speed is within legal limits. So that being said, I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.